What up, guys? Early morning today. It's about 6 o'clock. I know it's not early to some of you people, I know, but yeah, today's goal is going to be getting rid of this shit so I can take this trailer back. It's my stepdad's trailer. Nice of him to let me use it. I'm gonna go to Menards and try to pick out a decent set of sawhorses and kind of just kill some time until 8 a.m. Well, had a blowout on the trailer. Front driver's side tire. I was on 42nd Street. I'm just gonna run it up to Plaza Tire and have them swap the tire out for me. Well, guys, here we are. Plaza Tire Service. The one, the only. Oh, today is rough. Nope. Today's gonna be a good day. Remember, life is what you make it. Life is 100% what you make it. I believe that. True. Through and through, whatever word I'm looking for there. Sorry, guys. Not used to being up this early. Gonna go talk to these cats about putting this tire on, so. Oh, shit. Fuck yeah. Got some NOS. Big ass Randy Savage Slim Jim. And some lottery tickets. Fuck it. Not gonna let today get me down. Today is not getting me down. It's not happening. Not letting it happen. Ain't happening. Fuck. They're playing a dangerous game, keeping a fat person from their food. Not letting today get me down. The goal of today is to not have a heart attack. Let's not do that.
Oh, busy day.
Fuck yes.
No.
Catch a fucking break. Nah, I can't complain too much. Life's been pretty good lately, honestly. You know, getting the shop and everything. Yeah, I mean.
You got a order of money.
No, man, just not on that trailer. After I get the trailer, then yeah, I'll put all kinds. We'll put brand new tires on it. That's what I'm saying. You gotta just completely redo it. No sense in piece by piece.
Half an ass.
Yeah, exactly. No sense in half-assing any of it.
Because these motherfuckers around this motherfucker are stupid.
Yeah, that's after, like, as long as I let him use it occasionally, you know. And I told him there's no problem. As long as I'm not using it, he can use it whenever the fuck he wants. And I'll make sure and keep up maintenance on the motherfucker. I'm gonna run new wires and shit for the tail lights. Put new tail lights on it because they're busted as fuck.
Yeah, see,
Put all I'll fucking make that bitch nice. I'll put some hubcaps on it. I get some of them little hubcaps with the spinners on it. Put little plastic spinners.
Next time it'll be saying King City Customs.
Fuck yeah, Will.
Oh, look at
you better believe it.
Oh my god.
Put King City Customs all over that.
Got all chrome and put black decal King City Customs. You know what I'm saying? I see it in my head already.
Oh yeah, fuck it.
Motherfucker be like standing down. They'd be like, damn. You know, crazy.
I should probably go do that strap. Hey, go me undo that strap. Yeah, they took the ATM. Cool. All right. everything unloaded. Went to the transfer station, went to the scrap yard, all that. Got it taken care of. We got $13 whole at the scrap yard. $13.56. So, I mean, not bad.